Hey everyone, I am Amit and in today's video I am going to show you how I enhance my K-drama edits to get more sharper and cinematic look using Alight Motion. If you have ever wondered how creators achieve that high quality edit, then this tutorial is for you. I will explain the complete process step by step so you can easily follow. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Watch the preview first. First, I will make a few basic edits in CapCut. This includes adding effects if needed and preparing the video before moving to Alight Motion.